You see a baby. Something in your chest softens before you decide anything. Big eyes, round cheeks, a tiny nose, your face melts. This reaction happens in under a second, faster than thought. It crosses every culture, every language, every continent on Earth. Adults respond to infant faces within 130 milliseconds of seeing them. And it isn't only human babies that trigger it. Puppies, kittens, cartoon characters, even cars with round headlights. There is a code hidden in cuteness. A scientist cracked that code while watching cartoon mice on a screen. In 1943, an Austrian zoologist asked a strange question about shape. Why do certain forms make us want to nurture and protect? Lorenz noticed a pattern across baby animals everywhere. He called this set of features the Kindchenschema, the baby schema. A high forehead, eyes below the midline, soft, rounded body. Lorenz argued these features act like a key in a lock. They release an automatic caregiving response inside the adult brain. He sketched human babies beside puppies, chicks, and rabbits. The proportions matched. The shapes were nearly identical. For decades, Lorenz's idea was a clever drawing, not a tested fact. In 2009, a neuroscientist decided to test the baby schema directly. Glocker digitally altered infant faces using software. She rounded the cheeks, enlarged the eyes, lifted the foreheads. Then she showed these faces to adults inside a brain scanner. The high baby schema faces lit up the nucleus accumbens. That region is the brain's reward center, the same one money activates. Cuteness wasn't just a feeling, it was a reward signal. And the response was strong even in adults with no children. At Oxford, a neuroscientist watched the timing more closely than anyone. Kindchenschema used magnetoencephalography to track brain speed. A specific brain wave fired just 130 milliseconds after a baby face. This was faster than conscious recognition could possibly happen. Your brain flags a baby before you even know you've seen one. And the trigger isn't only sight, it's also sound and smell. A baby's giggle, its scent, its babble all activate the same circuit. Kindchenschema called this network a fast and privileged pathway. The brain gives babies a backstage pass past your defenses. Human babies are born helpless, far earlier than other animals. A foal walks within hours. A human takes a year. Our big brains force an early, fragile birth. So evolution made that helplessness irresistible to the adults nearby. Cuteness is the baby's first and most powerful tool. Studies show cuter infants receive more adult attention and care. The signal recruits not just parents, but anyone who looks. But cuteness was never really about the baby at all. The signal evolved to manipulate you, the caregiver, for its survival. And companies learned to hijack that ancient code on purpose. Look at Mickey Mouse across the decades of Disney design. Mickey's eyes grew, his head rounded, his features softened. Toys, mascots, and brand logos exploit the very same schema. Those big-eyed plush characters are picking your evolutionary lock. And conservation campaigns use cuteness to save species too. The panda became a global icon partly because it looks like a baby. Next time a puppy melts you, notice the speed of it. That softness isn't weakness. It's a millions of years old caregiving reflex. A signal so powerful it built families and shaped whole industries.